This tutorial covers the essential commands for launching Google Chrome through Windows Command Prompt and Run Dialog, including direct website access methods. First, access the Windows search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type the following command. Then, press Enter and Google Chrome will launch immediately. This simple two-word command is the foundation for all command-line Chrome operations. To launch Chrome with a specific website already loaded, use this syntax. This opens Chrome directly to your specified destination, saving you the step of manually typing the URL after the browser launches. The second method utilizes the Run Dialog box, which offers faster access. Just right-click the Start button and select Run, or press Windows key +R. In the Run Dialog box, type Chrome, then click OK, and Chrome will launch immediately. Unlike Command Prompt, the Run Dialog doesn't require the Start prefix for this command. To open a specific website through the Run Dialog, use this format. And then, click OK, and Chrome opens directly to your specified page. These command line techniques provide efficient alternatives for launching Chrome and accessing websites directly through Windows CMD and Run Dialog.